How to ventilate on slow motion. So firstly, you have to pass your needle through facing down like that. Pass it through your hole and then pick 2 strands of hair and then pull it through, and then you are going to twist and turn and pass your hair through your loop and tie your knot like that. So take your needle, pass it through like that. Make sure it's facing down when you pass it through, and then pick your hair, push it to the side, and then twist and turn and then pull it through to tie your knot. So I'm going to show you again and again, guys. So this video is for beginners who don't know how to ventilate. So you have to practice how to tie your hair first before you know the spacing methods, the closures, everything. This is the first step you need to know. If you don't know how to hold your needle, I have a tutorial on the do's and don'ts of hair ventilation. I'm going to link that video in the description so that you can go and check it out, just in case you are new to this and you don't know how to hold your needle. So this is how you ventilate. This is how you tie your hair to your lace. So pass your hair through like that, then you're going to twist and turn and pull your hair through the loop. So take your needle, pass it through your lace like that, and then you're going to pull your hair and then pull it through. Make sure you're pushing your needle to the side and pull it through, and then twist and turn and pull it through your loop and tie. Pass your needle through facing down, pick your hair, and then you're going to pull it through and twist and turn and pull it through your loop. So guys, I'm picking 2 strands of hair right here. Make sure when you're practicing, you're only picking 2 strands of hair so that it will be easier for you. Your knots won't be big and it will be easier to tie. And make sure when you're using your hair, the strands of hair that you're using, they are not too thick. Make sure they are thin, very thin, and they don't have like bumps in it, because if they have bumps, your hair is going to break when ventilating. So make sure your hair is smooth and it is not thick. I'm going to repeat this process, guys, until you understand. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. So, and I hope you practice. If you are new to hair ventilation, I hope you practice and check out the do's and don'ts of ventilation first before you practice, so that it will be easier for you to avoid the mistakes that you first when you start ventilation. So you have to watch that tutorial when you want to practice. Make sure you watch that tutorial and it will guide you on how to do it and the things that you should not do. And this right here is how you do it faster as a beginner. So pass your needle through and then pick your hair and then pull it through and then just tie like that, guys. So the difficult part is passing your needle through and picking your hair. And once you pick your hair and pull it through, the tying process is just quick. When you practice a lot, you get to this point where the tying process, it will be quicker for you to do. So for now, just do it slowly like this. And when you get it on how to do it slowly, when you know how to tie your hair slowly, you can then practice how to do it faster, like I showed you before. So we are going to pass your needle through facing down and then pick your hair and then pass it through and then tie your loop like that. So pass your needle through, pick your hair, and then you're going to pass it through and then twist and turn and tie and pull your hair through the loop. So I'm going to explain, guys. I want you to understand and do this, guys. That's why I'm explaining a lot. That's why I'm talking a lot. I want you to get this, guys. So like that, pull your hair through and then you're going to twist and turn and pull it through your loop and tie a knot. Don't give up if the process is slow for you. It will get faster when you practice a lot. So the more you practice, the more you understand this and the quicker you will get. So practice a lot if you want to do this hair ventilation. Practice, and you learn some new tricks while doing it. So you have to practice a lot and you'll get faster and you will learn some new tricks on your own, guys. You will discover some new ways on how to do this faster. So yeah, I'm going to show you again. Pass your needle through and then you're going to pick your hair and then pass it through and then twist and turn to tie your knot. So guys, this is easy. When you practice, it is easy. It's not difficult at all. Just keep practicing. You don't have to make a closure the first day you start to learn how to ventilate. Just buy your lace and ventilating needle and practice. You don't have to follow any patterns. Just practice how to tie your hair. Don't forget about the patterns, forget about finishing your closure, forget about all that. Firstly, you need to know how to hold your needle, and you need to know how to tie your hair on your legs. And when you are good at that, you can then start doing your closures, a 2x4, a 4x4 going up. Don't start with the frontal. Start little going up, so that you won't get bored. Start little. When you are good at doing closures, then you can move on to frontals. Yeah, so you have to practice and start little going up. The more you practice, the quicker you get. The more you practice, the more knowledge you get. Yeah, so I'm going to continue doing that, guys, and this is how you tie your hair to the less. Just in case you didn't know, this is how you do it, guys. So if you've learned something in this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section down below, and like this video if it was helpful to you. Like this video, share this video to your friends, share it to anyone you know is interested in hair ventilation, and you will help them, guys. And subscribe if you are new to my channel. More tips and tricks are coming, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. So again, pass your needle through facing down, and then pick your hair and then pull it through, and then twist and turn and pass it through. So like that, pick your hair and then pull it through, twist and turn and pass it through to tie your knot, guys. So keep practicing and you will get better. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next tutorial, and I'm going to link the do's and don'ts tutorial in the description, and I also pin it in the comment section, just in case you are new to the hair ventilation and you don't know anything about it. I'm going to link that tutorial. It will be helpful. Goodbye, guys.